Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files and click on it. Then select Categories at the top on the left and tap on Downloads and Favorites. Then tap on Downloads. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Then tap on one of those sources and select Always or This Time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!